Cool.
Yo, what's going on out there, you little rockers? Steve the Earthworm here, helping you learn sight words. The first word we're gonna learn is the. The earthworm is pink, the clouds are white, the learning noise rocks. The next word we're going to learn is I am an earthworm. I have on cool sunglasses. I love to listen to the learning noise. Steve the Earthworm here, helping you learn sight words. The next word we're going to learn is and. Mom and Dad, red and blue, stop and go, jump and dance, yes and no, and. See, I see a rainbow. Do you see the clouds? I see the trees.
Do you see the sky?
We see each other. See. Can we go to the park? Can I please have a glass of water? Can fish breathe out of water? What can we do? You can do anything you put your mind to.
Can. Blink break. Blink break.
Steve the Earthworm here, helping you learn sight words. The next word we're gonna learn is like. I like to play soccer. I like to play with my dog. I like to swim. I like strawberries because they're yummy. I like to make my friends laugh. Like. Look over there. Look up high. Look downstairs. Look at that bird. Look at that tree. Look all around. What do you see? Look. Steve the Earthworm here, helping you learn sight words. The next word we're gonna learn is go. I'm ready to go to bed. Let's go outside to play. Stop and go. Go in the door. Let's go to the music shop to find a new guitar. Go. My mom is really cool. My dad is really strong. My hat is red. My sister is tall. I like to throw my ball. Steve the Earthworm here, helping you learn sight words. The next word we're gonna learn is
Two.
to the moon, to the stars, to the field at the park, to the concert to hear the song. Do you want to come along?
Two. Wiggle it out. Wiggle it out.
Steve the Earthworm here, helping you learn sight words. The next word we're gonna learn is. Is it time for school?
Is it cold out?
He is super happy. She is coming to say hi.
Is that the end?
Is at. My mom's at work. We leave at noon. My sister's at practice. We were just at the zoo. Look at me, and I'll look at you. At. Steve the Earthworm here, helping you learn sight words. The next word we're gonna learn is
We.
Are we there yet? We are excited for the party. We played a great game. We ate all the snacks. Here we go again. We. Up. Look up in the sky. We're up in a plane. You climbed up the ladder. The elevator is going up. The rocket went up to space. Up. Earthworm here, helping you learn sight words. The next word we're gonna learn is down.
Down,
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 down.
down. Can you see down the hill? I fell down at the park. I went down the stairs. I'm looking down from the plane. Gravity pulls us down. Down,
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 down.
down.
Stand up and move around. Stand up and move around.
Steve the Earthworm here, helping you learn sight words. The next word we're gonna learn is
In.
Dad took the groceries in the house. I put my foot in my shoe. Garbage goes in the trash. The sign says welcome in. In we go. In. The next word we're gonna learn is
Am.
I am excited to go with you. Am I the one you need to talk to? I am so happy for you. Am I coming with you? I am a big kid now.
Am.
Steve the Earthworm here, helping you learn sight words. The next word we're gonna learn is
You.
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 Do you wanna go to the mall? Are you coming to my house?
You are really smart.
Do you like the look of that mouse? You are really good at art.
You.
You. It. Is that it? It is the picture that I'm talking about.
It is big.
It is far. It is strawberry jelly inside that jar. It. Steve the Earthworm here, helping you learn sight words. The next word we're going to learn is
Me.
me.
Do you wanna play with me?
Me and my mom and my dad. Did you see me at the movies? Come watch me play soccer. Can you please give that to me? Me. The next word we're gonna learn is
He.
He is my best friend.
Who is he?
He is my dad.
He is good at hockey.
Here he comes right now.
Blink break. Blink break. Blink break.
Steve the Earthworm here, helping you learn sight words. The next word we're gonna learn is
Get.
Get. Mom, will you come get me later? I'm going to get my crayons. Go get your shoes for the park. You'll get a cookie at lunch today. Everyone will get a turn. Get. The next word we're gonna learn is
One.
1, 2, 3. One toy is all we need. I scored 1 goal today. One thing I have to say.
I will be big one day.
One.
All.
We're all going to be there. It takes us all to win the game. We can all come together and make it great. There are people all over the world. Is that all?
All.
The next word we're gonna learn is said.
Said.
My dad said he is so proud of me. She said yes. I said my name out loud. My mom said you can come over. My teacher said the class did great. Said. Steve the Earthworm here, helping you learn sight words. The next word we're gonna learn is
Big.
Big.
I'm a big kid now.
That is a big boat.
How big is that building?
Big is the opposite of small.
How big do you have to be to ride the roller coaster?
Big.
Little.
My little sister is so funny.
Ladybugs are little.
Can I have a little snack? Little is the opposite of big. I added a little blue to the picture.
Little, 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 little.
Steve the Earthworm here, helping you learn sight words. The next word we're gonna learn is
R, R,
R,
R,
R.
R.
There are so many things to do. Are we going to the beach? My shoes are blue and white. My parents are really kind. You are an amazing artist. R,
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 R.
R. Wiggle it out. Wiggle it out. Wiggle it out. Wiggle it out.
Steve the Earthworm here, helping you learn sight words. The next word we're gonna learn is
Where, where,
where,
where,
where.
where?
Where are you from? That is where we are going. Can you show me where the books go? Where do you want to eat? Do you know where the park is?
Where,
Where?
where? This, this.
Can I have this today?
How does this work?
This is my favorite song.
We play with this every day.
This is the way.
This.
Steve the Earthworm here, helping you learn sight words. The next word we're gonna learn is
Here,
here.
here,
Here.
here.
Here we go again. Come on over here. Here is the book I just read. Do you want to meet here?
Here comes the school bus.
Here.
Here,
Here.
here,
Here.
here.
The next word we're gonna learn is
Away, away, away.
away, away, away. The ball rolled away from us. That is really far away. We have to put the toys away. The bird flew away from the nest.
I throw away my trash. Away, away, away.
Away. Jump, 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 jump. Have you heard the learning noises song?
Jump, clap, stomp.
I like to jump real high. We're gonna jump in the pool. Kangaroos jump all around. Watch my dog jump up on my bed, then jump back on the ground. Jump, jump, jump.
Jump.
Steve the Earthworm here, helping you learn sight words. The next word we're gonna learn is
She.
she can see the bee. Look at the blue hat she found.
Under the tree is where she will be.
On the cold brown ground she sat down.
Watch as she jumps up high. She.
The next word we're gonna learn is
With.
Come with us. We are with my aunt. I played with a new baseball glove. It's always more fun with a friend. Will you go with us on Tuesday?
With.
Stand up and move around. Stand up and move around. Steve the Earthworm here, helping you learn sight words. The next word we're gonna learn is
Four.
four. It's time for us to go. Is that for your teacher? My mom bought a funny hat for my dog.
I got this for you.
We have only been here for a couple of minutes.
Four.
Four. The next word we're gonna learn is
Run.
You run so fast. I'm going for a run with my mom and dad. My dogs love to run. Do you wanna run a race? I run so much in soccer. Run. Play. Do you wanna come watch me play soccer? I love to play with my Legos. Mom, do you wanna play a board game?
Let's go play in the pool.
I love to go outside and play. Play. The next word we're gonna learn is will. We will run really fast. Will you come up the hill with me? He will see you later. She will meet us at the movies. Will you need one or two? Will. Steve the Earthworm here, helping you learn sight words. The next word we're gonna learn is
They.
are my cousins, they are cool. They will be coming to the show with me. Are they holding the sun? Do they like bees?
They.
Steve the Earthworm here, helping you learn sight words. The next word we're gonna learn is come.
Come.
Do
you want to come to the park?
My friends are gonna come to my house.
Here they come now.
Come on down, dinner, coming, get it. Come. Steve the Earthworm here, helping you learn sight words. The next word we're gonna learn is
Was.
Was
Was.
that the picture you were talking about? There was a big boom!
What was that noise?
That was a long time ago. I think it was a rocket launch. Was. That's the end. Hit the subscribe button for more awesome songs and learning videos.